Hello everybody and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues. Right now today, I just do a short review of this Amazon Fire tablet. This is the 8-inch one, and I've got the blue one. At the back here it says Amazon, it's engraved. The camera is 2 megapixel, and it's got a front facing camera which is 1 megapixel. It's good enough to do for doing Skype and different things like that. But I wouldn't recommend it like for doing like obviously good videos, so because you can't really get really good quality out of it. But let's turn it on. This has got like sort of a twist of Android. It's called Fire OS, which is basically Android. It's just another version. It's just a standard Android version. It doesn't come with Google Play. But it's just easy enough to download anyway. I'll put the link in the description below if you want to download Google Play on this. But I haven't downloaded Google Play onto it. I've downloaded this thing called the Black Market, which is another version of Google Play. But all the paid apps are free basically on the Black Market. Let's turn it on. I mean, this one is the 32 gig version, and it's also at the side here. It comes with a memory card socket. It goes up to 256 gigabytes. I mean, feels quite well made, but I find when you're using tablets a bit, the screen just keeps smudging really bad, and you have to get clean the screen. That's the only downside to this. Obviously there, as you can see there, I've got Black Market. Oh, click on the wrong one then. Black Market. Obviously got no internet, so there's no internet connected. Turn the internet on. I mean, I use it for like the game called Pool 8, which I play on it. That's one of the main reasons why I got it for, to play Pool 8 on it. I've also got this thing called HD Streams on there. HD Streams, but HD Streams is basically basically all the Sky channels and different things like that for free. You can obviously read books on here, read them out. You've got videos of Amazon Prime. I'll just show you HD Stream if it comes on. This is a good application you want on your Android device because basically you can watch like all the Sky movies on the go. Here it is, it's come on. Obviously you just pick say movies, and obviously you got them all there. This is quite good. All the movies. And basically, if you just click one of them, say Sky Cinema, comes on a lock screen here. That's it. Got it on full screen. It's a little bit dark. It's because of film there. I'll take it off because of YouTube copyright. As well, I get copyrighted on my YouTube. Don't want to demonetize my channel. But that's it. Goes off. Yeah, I mean, it's got quite large channels on there. They also like what this is. It's got Alexa on it. For example, Alexa, hello. I mean, like. Or we got Alexa, play me dance music. This is what I like about the tablet.
Here's a station.
Yeah, I don't have to touch. Yeah, you don't have to touch it.
Top dance from Amazon Music.
You don't have to touch it. See, it just comes straight on. That's what I like about it. I mean, for the money, I mean this version I had off on Prime Day. I got it for £33, but it's quite a decent tablet anyway. I mean, for the full £100 that you pay for them is quite good. They are worth the money. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video and hope you found something useful. I'll put all the links in the description below. And yeah, thanks for watching this video anyway. I'll see you next video. Bye.
Hey!